When I was learning English, one thing that I struggled with the most is finding a partner whom I can speak with, and that too for free. And I believe that you are also someone who wants to practice speaking English in order to improve their spoken skills. However, they struggle with finding a partner. Although there are plenty and numerous apps available online, but they charge a hefty amount of money which you don't want to pay. So if you are looking into something, into an app through which you can practice speaking for infinity amount of time, that too without paying any penny, then this video is for you. This I discovered this app 5 or 6 months ago, I guess, when I was on a relentless pursuit to find a best app which suits my level, which suits my preferences, and which meets my expectation in terms of feedback, in terms of constructive feedback, in terms of time and money. So after continuously looking up for numerous apps, I came up with an app named Fully Fluent. So initially, when I took a glimpse of the app, apparently I thought that this app is going to charge a lot of money. But then I believed in myself, and I thought, let's give it a try. If this is a paid app, then I would uninstall it inevitably. However, if this is not a paid app, then I am going to use it forever. So yeah, that was when I downloaded the app. When I downloaded the app, I was surprised to know that you can speak for endless amount of time. There is no restriction. There is nothing such which will restrict you from speaking for a specific amount of time, and after you exceed that time limit, it will start charging. No, there was nothing such thing. And the moment I discovered that Fully Fluent, I was over the moon. I was literally over the moon, and I was just feeling on the sky because I have found something that too very proficient. So so Fully Fluent is not just a random person who might potentially make mistakes and errors. If you are a perfectionist, because I'm a perfectionist. When it comes to doing something, I want to get things done perfectly, with no error, with no mistakes, with no such messy thing. So the upsides, the perk of using this app is that is not only that it is for free, and it provides you with infinity amount of time, but it is also that it is an AI integrated app, which means that you will get an opportunity to speak with AI. Now, majority of people, when they receive something, when they get something for free, they don't uh, they don't validate it, they don't evaluate, they tend to underestimate it. But I was someone who was thirsty, who was just craving and starving to become fluent in English language. That is the reason why I valued, why I knew the words of this app. So that is something I want from you too. If you are considering to download this app, then know its worth. And if you think that you can become fluent in English overnight by practicing speaking for 5 minutes a day, then you are absolutely wrong, because becoming fluent in English, it took me 5 months. In 2024, I had decided, I had taken this firm decision that no matter what happens, I'm going to speak faster, I'm going to speak in English fluent. And that is the only reason why I am speaking in front of you. I'm not exaggerating about my spoken skill, I'm not trying to boast about my spoken skill or my proficiency. I believe that you can speak better than me. You are a twice better speaker than me. But I just want to make this clear. I just meant that if you are receiving something for free, if you are receiving an online English spoken app for free, then you must value it, then you must validate it. So yeah, download this app. It does not require to make any account. It does not even require you to sign up with an email ID. All you have to do is just download and start speaking. There are, however, some other parts of the app which are paid, but I I don't think if you need those paid section in the app, because as long as your objective is to become fluent in English, it is to achieve communicational level in English, then this app is a good fit for you, even if you want to use it for free without purchasing any of their subscription, any of their specific program or something like that. So Fully Fluent is an app for you that can make you an absolute fluent speaker in English over a specific period of time, even twice or thrice, of course, better speaker than me over a specific period of time, as long as you validate it, as long as you speak with consistency. So that was it for today's video. I didn't want to twist the knife or beat around the bush. I just started the video and cut right to the chase.